Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the reverse effects in CapCut to create the viral reverse edit trend. So whether you are a beginner or already love editing, this guide will help you slay the reverse trend like a pro. So first you can just add the clip that you want to edit like this. I've already added 3 clips. Now you can click on the first clip in here and go to the speed options. Click on a curve. Now choose the flash in curve in here. Click on edit and edit it a little bit like this. Tap on a check icon and now, sorry, you can add 2 keyframes on the clip, one at the end and the other one at the first one, the beginning, and after that you can just zoom in the clip on the second keyframe, so it will become like this. Then click on grabs and choose the ease out. Now duplicate the clip, and here on the second one, on the duplicate version, click on the grabs again, and this time you can choose the cubic in grabs. And then you can go to effects, video effects, and add the adult silk screen effect, this one in here, and apply it at the beginning of the first clip like this. Click on adjust, set the texture to 100, and then the color to around 35, and the size 100. Click on a check icon. Now add 2 keyframe, one at the start and the second one at the beginning. And on the second keyframe in here, set the texture and filter into 0. Click on a check icon, and this is the look now. So after that, you can just repeat the step for the rest of the clip. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.